Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft space. Sandy here. If you're new, I'm the Kentucky Crafter and I welcome you in. Today's video, I am going to do a haul video on some vintage fabrics that I purchased, and let's just jump in. So it came in this cute little packaged up very nicely. So I'm going to get rid of this tissue paper here. I'll have to do something crafty with that tissue paper. And it's just this cute little mini thanks. You know, I didn't order this, but this was just a sweet little thing. Put some scraps of fabric on an old multiplication table or flashcard, addition subtraction flashcard. That was really sweet. And where I ordered these from, I actually ordered them on Instagram, and the Instagram site, it's make sure I get this right, it's April and Jules Vintage. So if you search that, and I'll list it down below as well, you can find them on Instagram. And they primarily do fabrics, but they do sell other vintage items as well. So I bought several different fabric bundles. So we'll start with the one on top here. And it's just so cute. They have, you know, package them up really sweet. I'll zoom in a little bit. And so this little fabric bundle, and the prices vary depending on the size of the pieces of fabric. So this is almost like a fabric, upholstery fabric, and I just think it's gorgeous. Love that. And then this blue one here. And usually they will list the size of the pieces in the description. Look at that blue. Look at the texture on there. It's so pretty. That might be pretty with a nautical themed journal. And then look how sweet this is. Oh, the tulips. Look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. And look, this is a really nice big size piece. I mean, that's probably like 12. Let's see, get my ruler here. It's almost 13 wide, and then 22 tall. So really nice piece of fabric. And then this really pretty green. Now you may have seen this one. I'm working on a journal with this one, but just love that for spring. So that's the first little bundle. And here is the second little bundle. And I just love, you know, I've never seen a lot of vintage fabrics, so it's fun to get a few of them. And again, this one's another probably 12, yep, 12 by 22. So you can definitely use a lot of these for journal covers. And then this one is so sweet. Look at those little bitty, I think they're roses. Just so pretty. And that one's about the same size. And oh, how gorgeous is this one, you all? Love that. Another really big piece. That would make a gorgeous cover, wouldn't it? Oh my goodness. Oh, can't wait to get going on some of these. And then this fabric here. Let's take a look at this one. Oh, wow. Look at the little trim on that. Oh my goodness. What am I going to make with this? have to help me decide. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. I mean, could that be a journal cover? I mean, I guess it could. Boy, that'd be pretty, wouldn't it? Oh my goodness. What am I going to do with these? And here's the last one. And this one has a little texture to it as well, which is nice. But that's just a sweet. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know what it is, but it's like a little flecks of texture. Let's see what's on the back side. Yeah, it's just that part of the design. That's really neat. So oftentimes they try to, group things by color and things like that. Wow, that's just such a pretty pack. Love that. All right, here's the next one. Look at that pretty green. I might have to use some of that in my spring journal. Like a cute little tag or a pocket. So yeah, some of the pieces are smaller. You just have to look at the description. So this one is not quite 15 inches by 10. So this could be a journal cover also. It's a decent size. And look at that. I think those are supposed to be strawberries. Sorry, I had to get a drink. Look at that. Oh my goodness. These are beautiful. I am so happy that I got these. These are so neat. Try to keep these semi-folded up there. And then this blue. Like the green and what would you call that? Kind of a pink red. So nice. And then this is just beautiful. This could be a nice layering behind piece. Look at that. It almost feels like a cotton linen. So pretty. And then this is just a really nice piece of fabric as well. Very nice design. So lots of different options with these. All right, I have 2 more bundles. So here's the second to the last bundle. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. Love that. Almost reminds me of wallpaper a little bit. And here's another fun one. Really pretty. I like this golden yellow with this almost lavender. It's hard for me to see colors, so if I get something wrong, let me know. Another fun one. Look at the gold sparkle in there. How neat. Like that. And the sweet blue one. Very sweet. And then this one. This one looks like a fairly big piece. That's beautiful as well. Yeah, that's a little bit bigger. It is, yeah, that's 14 wide by the 22. So sweet also. Very cute. Look how pretty these all look together. All right, I'll show them to you together once I do the last one here. And this one, I just love this really retro look of this. I like doing those kind of recipe cookbook journals, and I thought this might be fun to use in those. Look at that. And this is, it's a thin fabric, but it almost looks like an upholstery pattern, but it's cotton. Oh, I love that one. How fun. And this orange. Love, love, love that orange. Might be fun to do almost a patchwork cover tag with these. Oh, look at that one. They have just such a good eye for grouping these fabrics together in these bundles, I feel. Look at that. Like that creamy background on that one. All right, so that was the last bundle, but look how pretty these look all together. Aren't they gorgeous? They're so pretty. So check out April and Jules Vintage over on Instagram. I'm super happy with these. If you have some suggestions on which of these you think would make good journal covers, let me know. I would really appreciate some input. I'm very collaborative, so trying to make these decisions by myself, I overthink things. So leave a comment down below. Let me know some suggestions and ideas. All right, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye. Love y'all.